Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Remove the 4 fasteners that secure the housing. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF4008 filter into the housing. Match the shape of the filter to the housing. Reinstall the housing. Re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.